Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at how to monetize your Bybit account. I'm making this video with response to the question that was raised on my YouTube channel a couple of days ago. So before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this Amazon channel, do it to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. To monetize your Bybit account, you actually need to use features that generate income, either active tradings or passive earning programs. So without waste of time, we're going to look at the main ways you can monetize your Bybit account without a delay. All right. The first thing first is that you must monetize your Bybit account, or you can monetize your Bybit account through active trading. You can make income through active trading by going actually to a particular crypto coin you want to trade. You can choose to buy or choose to sell. Okay, if you choose to buy, that is you predicting the particular cryptocurrency coin to go up, and if you choose to sell, which is you're taking short, you're predicting particular cryptocurrency coin to goes down. If it goes to also directions, you make profit. If this also go towards your directions of buying, you also make profit. So first thing, you must start doing the spot tradings so that you will not lose much on your future trading. All right, so spot trading, you're gonna going to buy low when the particular cryptocurrency coin is low, then you sell high when the particular cryptocurrency coin has triumphed from the particular price you bought it to another dimension or to another price. So you buy when it's low, and you sell when it's actually high. All right, so sell high, safer than futures. Okay, but profits are usually smaller in spot. The profits are usually smaller, but it's more safer than future tradings. Okay, now looking at the futures trading. Okay, so in futures trading, you can get what is it called, you can get a lot of leverages you can use to trade. Maybe if you have 10 USD, you can trade with 100 USD with just 10 leverage, which is going to be 10 times, which is going to be 10 times 10. All right, so if you go to your derivatives, in this place the derivatives is known as the feature. Okay, it's known as the feature. So if you click on any particular coin that you wish to trade in derivatives, come to this place. If you choose short, you can see that the sell and the buy is no longer here. What is here is long and the short. What represents the buy here is the long. Represents the buy here, it represents the buy. And what represents the buy here is short. The sell, sorry, is short. So this is the difference between the features and the spot trading. Okay, so when you look at it carefully, if you wish to buy long, you buy predicting that the coin will go up, or if it goes up according to your hope, you're going to make a profit. But if you take a short and it went down according to your hope, you also make a profit. Okay, but it's advisable you always use the spot trading, because in this feature type of trading, you can use a lot of leverages to increase potential profits. It's also high risk, and also you can lose quickly if not carefully tips. Okay, so use proper risk management if you really want to do this. Risk only maybe 1 to 2% per trade. Avoid over leveraging. Maybe maybe you go ahead to use 50 leverages, you can easily lose your capital. Okay, so another thing again, you can actually you can actually use on Bybit account to monetize your account is copy trading. All right, you can deal with copy trading. Okay, so whenever you use whenever you use copy trading, you can copy other traders and also earn from their own strategy, or become a leader trader and also earn commission from your followers. Okay, so you earn from their strategies, and also they will earn commissions from your own trade. This is how it works. And this actually works for a lot of people because you're going to follow a lot of traders who actually knows how to trade, and that you make irrational profit from them. All right. So another part you can use to also make irrational profit from your Bybit account, or to monetize by your Bybit account, is by using the Bybit earning. Okay, it's by using the what? It's by using the Bybit earning. Now, looking at the Bybit earn, in the Bybit earn, there are what we call a fixed earning and also a flexible earning. Okay, there's what we call a flexible earning and also the fixed earning. So what you just need to navigate yourself to is to quickly navigate yourself to the earning sessions, which is here. Go to the earning sessions. If you come to the earning sessions, there is what we call easy earn, on chain earn, and also advanced earning. All right, always choose the flexible part because you can take your profit anytime, including your capital. But if you choose the fixed taking lock your own coin for a higher interest, while the flexible savings earn interest on a usual on a USDT, BTC, and also ETH, of which you can is flexible as the name implies. You can take out your money at any time, including your profit. But the fixed takings lock your own coin for a higher profit. In between the fixed earning and also the flexible earning, you earn much more in the fixed earning than flexible earnings. All right. So another major thing you can use to earn a lot from your Bybit account is by using the affiliate programs. Okay, the affiliate programs, these are Bybit pays commissions when someone sign up using your own referral link. All you just need to do is to quickly get your own referral links by going to invitations, by going to invite. Okay, when you get to the invites, all you just need to do is to look for this place, invite friends. If you look for this place, get in there carefully and copy your referral links. With this particular referral links, you can share it on your WhatsApp, share it on your Telegrams, and any other places on Facebook and any other social media. Each time someone or a merchant or a trader sign up with using your own referral link, you're going to make a lot of commissions, 20 commission, 25 commission, and also 30% commission. You're going to make a real-time commissions, and it will definitely be paid to you. Okay, so it will only be paid to you when those people who sign up funded their accounts and also start trading. All right. So one of the fascinating part of this place again you can use to monetize your Bybit account is by using Bybit trading. Okay, Bybit trading P2P is by using P2P trading. Here's it. Navigate yourself to this particular place. This actually works more in Nigeria. You can buy crypto cheap via P2P and sell at a small margin. The profit might be little though, but you're gonna going to earn something rational from it. Okay. So this usually works well in Nigeria. As I said earlier, you must understand that crypto exchange is not also a guaranteed it's not also a guaranteed business that you must be earning consistently. So never invest money you can't afford to lose. Don't invest your business money, and don't invest the money you can need urgent to use. All right. So this brings us to the end of this particular video. If you do have any question, drop it in the comment sections, and if there is any topic you want me to talk about, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you asap. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next class. Bye.